Do you ever wonder why swimming pool companies will test your water for free? Well, that's to get you in the door. Nothing's free. Swimming pool companies are 300% markup on all their chemicals. Yeah, they test your water for free, but oh my goodness. Once they get you in the door, it's specialty chemical for this and specialty chemical for that. You don't need oil. You don't need it. Right here, raises your pH. Simple, forever. It's always raised pH in the water before swimming pool companies were a thing. For my swimming pool, 20 by 40, I put in one bag. Start up the season, one bag of Arm & Hammer, baking soda, one bag of salt for your water softener. This takes care of hard water. Cleans, takes care of hard water. Boom, that's your base. Next thing, shock it. Shock the swimming pool. That's it. 3-inch tabs. Maintains your swimming pool. This is all you need. You don't need pH decreaser and pH increaser and blah, blah, blah. You don't need it. Swimming pool season. Hey, this is what I use on a 20 by 40 swimming pool all summer long. This is how much it is. This is it. Less than $500 and I do the whole thing. I put in these two in one shot, and then in like a month or two, I'll put in those two, and then at the end of the season, I'll put in those two. Boom. Shock every couple of weeks. Tabs, I keep it on the daily. Follow us along, you'll see how it looks from drab to gold. Look, right? It'll look pristine in a week or two. Go more with less. One more thing to save you money this summertime when you're swimming pool, make sure you get a timer for your pump. Why burn electricity if you don't have to? Might even install a hot tub too. Why not? Subscribe, like, all that stuff. Let's go swimming. Swimming! Ooh. It cost me less than $500 for the entire summer to chemical this swimming pool. Costco, buy stuff in bulk. You see I've used Arm & Hammer and water softener salt gems, and the pool stays this nice all summer long. Cleaner Buster, which is a creepy crawler. He just creeps around and vacuums up stuff. Less maintenance. Don't go to a pool store. They're just 300% markup. Oh yeah. Go build something and share it.